perfect drink for coughing and mucus. Growing up is realizing that sometimes the stuff that is hard to swallow, that tastes bad, can be good for you. Eventually, you would have to grow out of your house, your comfort zone, but I extended my stay with excuses. After COVID time, it seems that I stopped growing up. I stopped making as much friends as I did my first year. I avoided discomfort. I blame COVID for changing my life's trajectory, but in honest, it's just an excuse for myself. COVID definitely changed your life, Jack, but for the better or worse, you can control. You're blessed enough that you don't have the long COVID that some people experience. You're still young, yet you can't be young forever. It's time to grow, to leave that comfort you've been hiding behind. So this weekend, this is why I'm going to go to the streets of China. I'm going to give out free suggestions on people's diet with my knowledge, and I will be hosting it live on 8 p.m. Eastern Time. So if you want to see me speaking Chinese with some locals or just ask any questions about TCM, come drop by this Saturday at 8 p.m.
Let's try.
Oh, and this tea
Okay, it's
tastes
kinda
much
hot.
better than I thought.
Cheers.
Glad I tried.